Hi everyone, very good afternoon to one and all. Welcome back to Vichita Rajkumar online classes for all the my dear aspirants. Today I would like to give the some of the important questions in the subject of the geology for the bridge course first year students in the BPC stream. Okay, this is the unit is the 8th unit like ecology and its environments. If you study this overall unit, you may get the 9 marks. Okay, let me see the one by one. And before that, whoever watching first time, please watch till end of my video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. And you have to hit the bell icon also. So why you have to hit the bell icon? If you hit the bell icon only, you will get the whatever I uploaded. You may get it through the notifications. Is it okay? So let me see one by one. Okay, in this first question, so in this session I will give the 1 mark questions as well as the 4 mark questions. Actually, you may have the 1 mark questions as well as the 4 mark questions. Okay, the first question is that define the term ecology and its branches. Okay, I have given the, I didn't get the, any content from you people, so that is the reason I went and took the textbook from the government colleges. For your sake, I have given the question with answers also. I have marked with pencils. Okay, left and right brackets will be there. Now up to here you can write it. Okay, the first question is to define the term ecology and its branches. So here if you see like this, okay, so up to here you can write it. Okay, this is a question. No need of write everything. This is a no need everything, but you can write up to from here to here. This is enough for you people. Okay, so define the term ecology and its branches. The logos meaning study ecology was defined by the Ernest Haeckel as the study of the relationship of organisms with their environment. It's like only one more questions now. Exactly you can write the whatever they're asking question to answer only you have to write. You no need to write elaborations. Anyhow, you may get the only one more questions now. That is the reason no need of write more in depth. Okay, next coming to the second question here, the what is an ecosystem? In the next level of organization, both the level, sorry, that is not an answer, so I will show you. Okay, what is an ecosystem? Okay, here. An ecosystem is a functional unit of the biosphere in which the members of the community interact among themselves and with the surrounding environment. It's clear? Okay, an ecosystem is a functional unit of the biosphere in which the members of the community, it will all not only community, it will interact among themselves and with the surrounding environment. Okay, ecology always is related to the environment. You keep it in mind. Okay, ecology always related to the environment only. Here the community interaction among the not only themselves, it will also having the interaction with the surrounding environment. Okay, so no need of write everything, you can write it from okay, from here to here. It's clear? Sometimes involving a flow of energy forming a well-defined trophic structure. If you want to write, you can write it. It's clear? Okay. Okay, next coming to the third question. Explain the difference between the niche of an organism and its habitat. This is the third question. Okay, here I have written no, like I will mark it with pencil. No, so habitat is the place in which an organism lives. It comparable to the address of a person, as mentioned in the introduction page to ecology. So no need to write this one. Okay. So in which in the habitat. Okay. In the habit, okay, in the place in which an organism lives, it is comparable to the address of a person. Okay, up to here you can write it. It's clear. And next, for example, okay, for example, if you run like for instance, the habitat of the fish is a pond, lake, sea, and etc. Okay, the habitat of a lion is a forest. The habitat of a ascaris is the small intestine of a man, and so on. Okay, up to here you can write it. Okay, actually the answer from here to here you can write it. Is clear? From here to here is enough. No need to write this one. You remove it and you can write it here. Okay, next coming to the niche, they ask the continuation of the two things they ask niche. Within a community, each organism occupies a particular biological role of niche. Niche is the functional role of an organism in an ecosystem of a person as mentioned in the introduction. It's clear? So this is enough. Up to here we can write it. Okay, no? Okay. Next coming to the from here to here you can write it. Okay. Actually here to here. Okay. Next coming to the fourth question. Like what are a okay circadian rhythms? Okay, systematic. The rhythms are nothing but systematical, step by step, like continuation will be there, like I will show you. Rhythm is nothing but like this will be there. Okay, it is called as rhythms. Okay, when he will dance, how they will show the expressions while doing the dance. In the same way, some rhythms will be there in the biological rhythms that occur in a time period of 24 hours are circadian rhythms. Okay, it's clear. Only what are circadian rhythms? Biological rhythms that occur in a time period of 24 hours are circadian rhythm. If the biological rhythms repeat annual every year, they are called circanal rhythms. Okay, up to here you can write. Next, coming to the fifth question, mention the advantages of the some ultraviolet. UV is nothing but the ultraviolet rays to us. Okay, I have marked with pencil now. Up to here you can write it. UV rays. Okay, UV radiation kills the microorganisms present on the body surfaces of animals. UV radiation helps in the conversion of sterols present in the skin into vitamin D in mammals. Next, coming to the sixth question, what is it? Completely you have to already have is there. No, that is the reason I have written off only. So this is a what is. Okay, what is cyclomorphosis? Everything I have marked already is here there. No, that is the reason I have written with only half only pencil. What is cyclomorphosis? Explain its importance in Daphnia. What is cyclomorphosis? Explain its importance in Daphnia. So here the answer will be there from here. Question, there is no space. That is the reason I have written in above section. Okay, the question is here, answer is down. Okay, I will show the answer also. The answer is here. Okay, up to here you can write. During winter, the water is more area of the body to keep floating. Others believe that these cyclic changes are adaptations to stabilize the movement in water. Okay, next coming to the define commensalism. Give an example. So here up to here you can write it. Okay, I will show you. Okay, another example of commensalism is the interaction between the sea and moon that has tentacles with stinging cells and the clownfish that lives among them. The answer is from here to here you can write it. This is a common, okay, commensalism. Okay, it will have the interaction between the sea anemone and stinging cells and clownfish. It's clear. So next, coming to the eighth question, define mutualism. Give an example. Give on mutualism. So define mutualism. Give one example. Okay, here you can write it, the interaction. Wait. Okay, the most common examples of mutualism are found in plant-animals relationships. Plants need to the help of animals for pollinating their flowers or dispersing their seeds. Animals obviously have to be paid fees for the services that plants derive from them. Plants offer to rewards in the form of pollen and nectar for pollinators, are juicy and nutritious fruits for seed dispersing animals. Okay, so this is next, coming to the ninth question, distinguish between the neutron and necton. Okay, here the neutron will be there. No, the animals living at the air water interface constitute the neutron. If you want to write it, you can elaborate two types. Okay, epineutron, hyponeutron also you can write it. Okay, and next here the necton means the animals such as fishes, amphibians, water snakes, terrifians, insects like water scorpion, back swimmer, diving beetles capable of swimming instinct the necton. Okay, so this is the differentiation between the neutron and necton. You can write it. Okay, from here to, it's clear. Okay, so next, coming to the, okay, from here. Okay, next from here to here. Okay, so next, coming to the 10th question, what is periphyta? The animals that are attached to or creeping on the aquatic plants such as water snails, okay, nymphs of insects, prozoans, okay, turbellarians and hydrates, etc. constitute the periphyta. Okay, so this is the answer for that. Okay, so next, coming to the Okay, up to 10th. Okay, 11th question also short answer only. I will tell the short answers how many are there. Okay, here the write three examples for an man-made ecosystem. The answer is there are three types of this only. Okay, write three examples for man-made ecosystem. There are three types of ecosystems are identify: marine, freshwater, okay, sterile. Okay, it's clear. Next, 12th question. Entropy. Define entropy. The energy degraded is in the form of unavailable heat energy. It constitutes the entropy. Okay. From okay up to here we can write it. Next, coming to the 13th question. Which air pollutants are chiefly responsible for acid rains? Which air pollutants are chiefly responsible for acid? This is a very very important question. So many times it came. Okay, here the answer is here. Okay, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides are major causes of the acid rains, which cause acidification, soils, lakes, streams, and also accelerated corrosions of buildings and monuments. So, no need of write everything. They ask only one mark, no? One more question. So, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides are major causes of the acid rains. Okay, this is enough. Next one is the like what is BOD? BOD organic substances present in the water deplete the dissolved oxygen content in the water by increasing the biological oxygen demand. Okay. So this is the answer. Up to here you can write it. Okay. Next coming to the what is biomagnification? 15th question. What is biomagnification? So here biological increase in the concentration of the pollutant or toxicant at the successive trophic levels in an aquatic food chain is called biological magnification and biological or biomagnification. This is the answer. Okay, from here to here you can write it. Okay. So next one is the 16th question. Hospital waste. This is the last question in the for the first one more questions. Okay. In this unit ecology, in this unit you may have the 16 short answers. 16 one mark questions are there. Okay, hospital waste. In this, why are incinerators used in hospitals? Why are incinerators are used in hospitals means hospitals generate hazardous waste that contain disinfectants, harmful chemicals, and also pathogenic microorganisms. Such waste also require careful treatment and disposal. So the use of incinerators to burn waste is essential for the disposal of the hospital waste. Okay, so 17 onwards you may have these questions are having from 17 to 30. This is 4 marks questions. Okay, here the what is summer stratification? Explain. What is summer stratification? Explain. Okay. Okay, from starting to during summer in temperature takes. Okay, this is 4 marks questions. Now you have to draw the diagram whenever necessary, and you have tried some of the important points also. This is 4 marks question. Okay, everything you have tried from. Okay, I have marked with okay from here. Okay, starting here to ending I will show you. Okay, ending here. Wait, I will show you ending. Here you can write. Okay, so next question. Explain want Hoff's rule. Okay, explain want Hoff's rule. Okay, you can 18 is there no. Okay, here to here you can write it. Completely starting to ending up to here you can write it. Okay, here to here. Okay, next coming to the 19th question. How do terrestrial animals protect themselves from the danger of dehydration of bodies? Okay, the answer for this. Okay, you may write. You can mark it from here to here. Okay, in bracket also answer is there. No, to reduce loss of water from up to here you can write it. Next, 20th question. How do marine animals adapt to hypertonic seawater? Okay, I have marked with a pencil from here to here. You can write it. Okay, next one is a discuss various types of adaptations in freshwater animals. Okay, you can mark it from here to here. Ending is there, no? To survive in summer. Okay, next coming to the 20th, 22nd. Distinguish between the Euryhylin and Stenohylin animals. Okay, you can from here to here you can write it. Next one is a 21 question, so 23 question, a 23rd question. Write short notes on the structure and functioning of the ecosystem. To here you can write it. Okay, next one is the 24th question. 24 already in this question you may have the already have given now. This is the 1 mark question. In this question only again you may have the 4 marks question also. This is the 4 mark question. This is the small question. This is 4 marks question. It's clear? Okay. Explain the different types of the aquatic ecosystems. Okay, 3 points you have to highlight. Okay, from here to here. 4 marks questions now. Next coming to the explain the different types of the terrestrial ecosystems. Okay, completely you have to write from here to here. Ending point. Okay. Okay, next one is the 26th question. Write a note on a DFC. Give the significance in a terrestrial ecosystem. Okay, this is question up to here you can write it. Okay, this is the answer. Continuation here there. Okay, continuation up to here you can write it. Okay, completely you have to write this answer. Okay, 26th continuation. I have told in before paper this continuation paper. Next 27th question. Define ecological pyramids described with examples pyramids of numbers biomass. Okay, continuation, everything you can write it from here. I will show the pyramids also, continuation diagrams will be there. Okay, up to here you can write this also. Okay, up to here you can write, and this is also continuation. Okay, so this is diagrams are very important. Okay, you have to write the diagrams also. You have to draw the diagrams. This continuation. 3 papers. The answer will be there in 3 papers. Okay. Okay, next coming to the 29th question. Describe the greenhouse effect and global warming. Everything you can write it. This diagram also you have to write it. Greenhouse gases. So greenhouse gases absorb long wave infrared radiation from the earth, okay, and it emit it again towards the earth. The cycle consists till the earth's surface has no long wave irradiation. So this is the sunlight energy the outermost atmosphere. Okay, you have draw the nicely. You have draw the diagram. Okay, this is greenhouse effect. It's clear. So next coming to the 30th question. This is the last question. Discuss the causes effects of global warming. What measures need to be taken to control global warming? Okay, this continuation you have to write. Okay, from here to here you can write it. Okay, in this topic you may have the 2 questions. Okay, one is the global like a greenhouse effect. Second one is the global warming. What are the measures need to be taken to control the global warming? Okay. Okay, up to here you can write it. This is up to here. This is no need actually. Okay, so global warming control measures. The measures include cutting down use of fossil fuels, improving efficiency of energy uses, planting of trees and avoiding deforestation, slowing down the growth of human population. Okay, so till now I discussed about the important questions with answers in the geology for the by PC first year students. Okay, and I will show the this is the actual overall syllabus. Now today I am going to complete the overall important questions and answers in the geology. Okay, actually how many units are there in geology? 8 units will be there. Diversity of living. The first unit already given important questions for the English medium student. Okay, second unit structural organization in animals. This is also I have given notes. Like a third unit animal diversity 1. This also I have given. Okay, next one is a locomotion reproduction. This is no need, I think. This I didn't given the. So next year, if the students may ask, I will provide the notes for this also. Actually, in the for this who are going to write the examination, for those students no need of this content and the unit no need. Ecology, biology, and human welfare I have given notes. Planeta Americana. This is also deleted, so I didn't given the notes. So now I have completed that is the ecology and environment. Okay, Okay, so over now I'm going to complete the overall session also. Okay, if you have any doubt in the comment box. Okay, successfully I completed the important questions with the answers and syllabus with weightage of the marks in the zoology for the by PC stream bridge course students. Okay, so next I will come with new content, new subject, that is a biology, sorry, botany or physics. I will try to give the content. So definitely, okay, until then keep in touch with my channel. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you all once again.